Hi guys, today's video is going to be on some pipe railing job that I've got. Um, it's going on a truck loading dock. It's just like a safety thing where it's regulation where you need to be at like 42 inches. And right now they have like some chain thing going there where I'm gonna cut them off flush, and then I'm gonna measure where each base plate's gonna cover that, so they don't have to do anything else. It'll just be all clean, done, ready to go. So, yeah. With that being said, let's get straight into the action. All right, guys, there you have it. Simple truck dock rail. You know, I basically worked by myself. I did have a helper on this job, which helped out and expedited the job for me. I got done real quick right before the holidays, which put me a couple days ahead of schedule, which is always nice. I had some problems with when I measured it. I measured the pitch of the sidewalk, and then the rail was going up on that straight wall. So I had some problems with that where I came up with like a 3 degree when it probably should have been like 5 degrees of a slope. But I did some field adjustments, and it came out really nice. I didn't have to shim the posts up or anything, or caulk or uh, pack mud in there or anything. Sometimes if you're a little off, you can pack mud in concrete. But yeah, it came out nice. The customers were thrilled. They were super happy that I got it done so quick too. So that's always nice. It was a new contract with the new customer, so I wanted to make sure that I left a good impression on them, and I believe I did. So maybe they'll call me back on another job. So yeah. Okay, if you guys like this kind of content or want to see more of this content, please like and subscribe and leave a comment of whatever you guys thought of the video, or maybe some content I should create. I appreciate you guys watching and commenting, and yeah, I want to keep this channel going, and I'm excited because I have a website coming. I got some products that might help you guys on jobs that I'm excited about that will be coming up in the next couple months. I do have a couple art projects coming up that will be cool in the next 2 weeks that I'm going to try to make videos on. And then I have another house railing coming up in the middle of December. January I have a small 2-step job, and then February I have another cable rail job, but instead of cable, I'm going to do 3/16 stainless steel rods going across, which should be interesting. The cable that I use is really expensive, so the customer went with the cheaper option of just add in the 3/16 bar. It's not going to be, all it is just to keep, there's a screened in porch, and they just want to keep the kids away from the screen. So yeah, it should be an interesting job, but that's what I got coming up. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.